I am opening Gemini app, clicking Gemini live feature. Your connection to Gemini was interrupted. Please try again later. Solution. Go to date and time settings. Enable set time automatically. Then go to settings. Select apps. Select all apps. Search for Gemini app. Go to storage and cache. Clear cache. This will fix the problem. Other solution. Force stop and then reopen the app. This might fix the problem. Another solution, if you are using Wi-Fi, then turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. Similarly, turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. If you know any other solutions, comment your answers.